All right. Um, Good afternoon. Yesterday we introduced statistics, and we said is a aspect of mathematics that deals with data collection, organization, presentation, and also analyzing. All right. We said that data is a collection of either numbers or information, as the case may be. Data as is the main tool that is being used in statistics. Is that okay? And we ended by saying that we are going to begin again with measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency. All right. And measure of central tendency actually has tools. There are tools that are being used for this. Um, it is actually a name that is used for, or rather to explain or to actually bring together those tools that are being used in statistics. So when we say measure of central tendency, we are referring to things like the mean, the median, and mode. These are the measures of central tendency. Okay, good. Now we're going to take them one after another. Let's see how far we can go with each of them before we run out of time. Okay, mean, the first one here, mean here, you can see call it average. Yes, either you call it mean or average. What does it mean? Now the mean is the sum, the mean is the sum of all the values divided by the number of those values. All right. The mean is the sum of all the values divided by the number of values given. Now this is the formula we use for it. Formula goes this way. We have mean to be equal to sum of values over number of values. Is that okay? Let me give an example to explain more on this formula. Example. Let me say I have this data here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's assume this to be the scores of students in a particular test. Let's say midterm test. Is that okay? And we want to find the mean of this particular scores or data. Now I simply do sum of all of them, which is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of values here is 5. So 2 plus 4 here is 6, plus 6, 12, plus 8, 20, plus 10, 30. So I'm going to have mean equal to 30 over 5. When I divide, therefore, the mean is equal to 6. Is that okay? Now, mean, and mean. Why do we use mean? Of what use? What really does it really stand for? What is the work of this mean? Okay? Now, first of all, mean help us to get the overall performance of a group. That is, it gives a general picture of all the data combined. For example, now, this could be individual scores of 5 persons. All right. Then with this mean now, we can get the overall performance of that particular class. Or if they are just a group, with me can just get overall performance of that particular group or class. Is that okay? Now, example of this can be like a teacher may want to know how the whole class performed in a test. Let me just take the mean score of my students. Let me get the overall performance of my students. So with this mean, he or she will know how good his or her class is. Maybe he actually wanted to get, let's say, around that kind 70 or 80. Then by adding all the scores of the students divided by how many they are in the class. Now, what score or what answer he gets will make us to understand if our class is doing well or not really doing well. Is that okay? Good. Now, one thing you should know is this. Mean is not good when there are extreme values or outliers. Note this, mean is not good or not well, so in fact shouldn't be used when there are extreme values or outliers. Now, if I say extreme value or outliers, what do I mean by that? Let me write it. Extreme values or outliers. Okay. Now, let me just say I give something like this. I have these scores. And just I have 10, I have 12, I have 15, I have 18, then possibly I have 100, and so on and so forth. If you watch, these numbers are very close to each other. Now, from 18 to 100, that's a very big gap already. So, this is already an outlier, okay, or extreme value in all the values we have in this place. So, mean is not best used when you have cases like this. Is that okay? So, just know that when you have things like this, don't think of using mean for it, because you might actually get what is not really deserved or expected. Is that okay? Now, let's take the next one, which is median. Okay, median. Okay, I think I just end this class here. Just the point is this: I want you to really like calm down to take them one after another. I will take just mean. I'm going to get median in next class. Please pardon me. I'm not here to rush you. I'm here to really get you well grounded in mathematics from the basics that you can now ascend gradually. All right. So I repeat again that the mean is the sum of all values divided by the number of values that I have here. Okay. Divided by all the, this is either the value I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the sum of it divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of values is here is 5. So going by this, my mean is 6. Okay, so that is just what I want to really know as regard this particular thing. I'm going to give you simple assignment on this, at least to keep you along. Thank you very much. Bye for now.